thanks for tuning into my channel. Hope you're having a good day. I myself am very happy. I don't know why. Makeup's on right. Everything's just going right today. So today we're going to review the Seoul, as you can tell by the thumbnail, the Seoul Beauty Club box. I absolutely love, I can show you a little bit of what's in there. Maybe. A little bit. I absolutely love this box. You can let them pick whatever you want or whatever they want based on your profile that you fill out when you go for the box. Or you can pick out your own 4 to 5, I think it even could be 4 to 7 products. I think it depends on the price of the products, because this time I only got 4. So the first product, and I tried this morning, it's amazing. It's called Theralogic Hyalcica Total Moisture 10D Toner. It's moisturizing, hydrating, and soothing. So it has 10D hyaluronic acid, I don't know what the D means, Cica complex, and vitamin B5. And I believe this was $35. I don't know if you can buy it on Amazon. I get it from Seoul, directly from Seoul. It doesn't have a smell, but it almost feels like as good as water, but it like leaves your face feeling really refreshed. Like that's what I think a toner should be. To refresh your skin, get it ready for your makeup routine or your sunscreen. Yes, I put my sunscreen on today. Then we have Taxa Milky Drop Ampoule. And I like this. By the way, I will link all of this down in the description and let you know what they're saying is what the product can do. So this is by Aerosol Taxa Silky Drop Ampoule. And the way you open it is so cool. Look at that. Like I can be entertained by just the smallest thing. And it's a really lightweight gel. You know me, if I pour it out, I'm putting it on my hands. And there's no smell. And it's like, I used this morning too. Instead of my regular serum, I put this on. I think it's really a really good product. And like I said, I'll list the price and what it does down in the description if you're interested in it. Then I have from the House of Balance. Now last month I had a House of Balance and I believe it was deodorant. Amazing. I know that's not a word my friend likes me to use for makeup, but it is so good. So this time I got, shake it up, House of Balance body mist, and it always says shake well. I know it's got like, okay, it combines the calming essence of patchouli, which is why I bought it, patchouli oil, with nourishing seaweed extract, argan oil, and camellia oil to deeply hydrate and bring out your skin's natural glow. And the spray, it's not even a spray, it's a mist. Just want to show you. Oh my god, it smells so good. Keep shaking it. Go down there so I can smell it. I think this was $30 if you were to buy it from their website. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it that way or what. That way. And then the final product, and I've gotten this before and I like it so much that I got it again. It's the Sungboon Editor Deep Collagen Silk Peptide Intensive Ampoule. And the reason why I got it is because it has strands. Let me see what they're calling it. It has strands of, I forget what it's called. It's some kind of like something to calm your face. I want to say it's little things of collagen. I can get it out of the box. See if you can see how it's got little strands in there. That helps to I'm pretty sure that's what it does. Insert into tilt the capsule. Apply solution evenly. Yeah, again, I'll list it down in the description. But it's supposed to be really good with those. Oops, I always want to go to the wrong side. Can you see it now? Yeah. And it's fun because you stick this inside the top and goes, and it comes out. It's great. Like I said, this is the second time I've gotten it because it's really good. So, Seoul Beauty Club is a monthly subscription where, like I said, they'll pick products for you based on your profile, what you selected, the items that you selected in your profile when you signed up to get the monthly box. You can cancel if you want to skip a box. Sometimes I do that because I'm not finished using what I got from the last box. But I'm telling you, it comes straight from Seoul. And they say a Korean skincare routine curated for evolving skin. Now, I'm not bragging, but I was told that I don't look my age. And in fact, they called me babyface. So that's where the babyface came in my name on this channel. Anyway, I think it's because of the skincare and all that I do. I overdo it with skincare, but I'd rather be, have my face still look young, even if, I have to keep getting the same products. So as per usual, I'm going to do a affirmation card, and it's coming from Mindful Minute Activity Cards. And I don't pick the cards out, I just randomly pick it out. So this one says loving kindness. And it says, close your eyes and notice how you feel in this moment. What emotions are present? Happiness, sadness, frustration, excitement, something else? Gently reflect on how you're feeling this way. Now take a deep breath and send yourself loving kindness, accepting yourself just as you are. If it feels right to you, give yourself a little hug. Notice if or how your emotions shift during this mindful minute. That is amazing. I'm all about hugs, even if you're hugging yourself. So that was the mindful minute activity cards for anyone, anytime, anywhere. So that is my my box for the Seoul Beauty Club. I love it. I would highly recommend it. If you're interested, let me know, because I do have a code for you to get a discount. And please consider subscribing. I can do more with my channel with more subscribers. And if you like the content, please give this video a thumbs up. Any comments, I will read them. And once again, everything will be listed down in the description. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.